Hello guys, just want to show you how to troubleshoot a furnace or your heater when it's blowing cold air or it's hesitating. So check the air filter if it's clean, that's one. And yeah, what mine is, I just changed it to a brand new one. So it's better to use this one. I bought in a Home Hardware this kind of a filter that is reusable. When it gets dirty, just wash it and dry it up. So that it's this one is I just changed this one. So there's no issues with the air filter. So my heater is a Trane XR80. So it has a new heat exchanger last October 2017. So just open this one. It's and then grab a screw. So make sure turn off your heater first before you operate this one, so that everything's safe. So yeah, this is easy. Just take off the screw here, unscrew the top part of the heater. So as you can see here, so these are the ones that blows the hot air. So there's an igniter here. So this one here, the white one on the left part, this is the igniter. So I will just unscrew this one, because this one, if you every time this one ignites, this igniter gets dirty. I'm just having a hard time taking it off. There you go. It's loose now. Yeah, because it's gonna be cost a lot of money if you're gonna call somebody to do it for you. So yeah, it's cost you $200 to $300, but it's just an easy fix, so you can do it by yourself. Almost there. There you go. So I got it. Just pull it out. As you can see, it's like a burned metal. So the trick there is a dollar bill. Yes, it's a dollar bill that will take off the burned part of this igniter. Just scratch it lightly, and please do not touch this one, because the oil in your hands, if it gets into this metal, maybe it's giving you more issues after that. Just scratch it gently. This is a trick for this igniter here, because we don't want a blowing cold air in a negative 20 or minus 20 winter. That's it. So it's almost gone. And then what I do is get a tissue. Sorry about that. And just clean it. As you can see, it's nothing, almost nothing in there now. And then just return it, and it's easy as that. So you save a 200 or 300 for the mechanic who's gonna come into your house and do this easy fix for you. Just cover it again. That. Just make sure touch the switch here, because that's the safety switch for this kind of furnace. Just push it all the way there. There you go, and lock. You're good to go. Thank you guys for watching.